and welcome back to another OG Doll Taylor World video. Hello, you guys, and today, you guys, the girls are hosting their very first tea party. And at this tea party, they are going to have some bakers, you guys. Yes, the girls are going to be baking. So this is why I'm showing you the prep. They're going to go through the whole thing to show you how they prep for the party. They're going to show you who invited. And then we're going to see them at the end at the tea party, you guys. But you guys, first, make sure you subscribe to the channel and give a girl a like. You guys, so first you see the girls went shopping at Walmart, baby. At Walmart. Yes, see a little basket. They got some milk, some cupcake mix, some water, some eggs, some butter, the things you need to do all types of baking. Now, the girls going to be doing all types of baking for this tea party, you guys. They're going to be having cookies, cupcakes, and a cake. You guys, when you look at that cute little tea set, you guys, I got that tea set from the dollar store. I add a little content to it. You know, I add the little butterfly rhinestone to it, but I got that tea set from the dollar store for $1, you guys. So like I said, you guys, also today, you guys, I'm going to finish giving you the tour of this kitchen on my video before. If you missed that video about the OG Dolls kitchen, go back and look at that video. But what I'm going to do is give you more in depth of the things I have in the kitchen, where you're going to actually get to see more content in the kitchen, you guys. Yes, so I want to make sure that I cover that for you guys. So up here at the top, you see we have some jam, some pepper and salt, some mac and cheese. We have different types of cereal, you guys. And you know, this is why I got my little spoon and spatula. I told you I made a little connection so I can hang it up over the sink. I felt that was just so cute, so super cute, right, you guys? So like I said, you guys, we are going to have super fun today because the girls having a tea party. Okay, so first we're going to start off with the Walmart goodies. Like I say, so they bought some milk. They bought some unicorn cupcake mix. They have two different types of water. They have some purified water, and then they have, I don't know what kind of water that is, but that's some spring water, you guys. Yes. So that's some other ingredients they needed to purchase from Walmart's Wally World to go with their baking today. So over here, so we got, I'm showing you some other content, the food item the girl have. They have salt and pepper. They have some fruit cocktail. They had a can of tomato soup. They have some, I don't know what that is in that little green jar. Nutella probably. They have some Crunch Berry cereal. They have some more Please cereal, you guys. So this, like I said, I'm just going over some content they have in the kitchen that I didn't cover in my first kitchen video. So I want to give you some more detail before we get into the cooking, baby, into the baking. So we're going to go over here, you guys, to the fridge. Now, their fridge is fully stocked. In the freezer, they have some popsicles, you guys. They have some ice cream. They have 2 boxes of popsicles. In the refrigerator on the left, they got some soda pop, some root beer soda pop. They have some cheese, plenty of cheese. They have some milk, some lemonade, some apple juice, some orange juice. They have some bacon over there to the right. At the bottom, they have some fruit to the right at the bottom. And then to the left, they have vegetables, lettuce, tomatoes, bell pepper. They have a bag of bagels. And like I said, you guys, this refrigerator is fully stocked. So listen, they can make all types of meals here. Okay, now we're going to go in, and this, you're going to see the baking pan. So you see they have the cupcake pan, they have the cake pan, and and they have some cookie pans. So they're showing you the stuff. The girls are getting ready to prep, and they get ready to get this bacon on, you guys. And these are some of the pans they're using to do this bacon. Now, so you see the girls, they have the eggs, and they like the chicken eggs. They have the flour, the sugar, they have milk, they have the unicorn cupcake mix, they have the measuring cup, they have the mixing bowl with the mixer, they have some water, they have the roller pin, they have butter. Hi Kinsley. Hello Kinsley. Isn't that cute? You guys, the outfit today is Minnie Mouse. That's the outfit that I made. It's a spring outfit. It's a top. It's a top shirt with some shorts. You guys, super cute. Hi Paisley. Hi. Hi, you guys getting ready for the bacon tea party. So you guys, you know they had their apron on. Like I said, if you didn't see the first kitchen video, make sure you go look at that video and you'll see where I talked about more about the apron. So like I said, you guys, this is the stuff they have. They're finna get ready to start their baking and getting everything ready, because you guys, in about 2 hours, they have special guests coming for the tea party, you guys. And you guys, like I say, make sure you don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're already a subscriber. Thank you for rocking with a girl. Back to the video. So like I said, we got the eggs over here. We got the milk. So basically, they have already mixed those items into the mixing bowl. So we're going to come over here. Now, the girls got a little mess going on, you guys. They got a little flour going on around here. So you see they got a little flour. You know, you have to grease and flour your pan. They got some cookie mix already rolled out and cut. Like they got some hard cookies. Oh, girls, they are working hard, you guys. Ken's got a little flour on her. She got a little measuring spoon with a little measuring cup with flour in it. You got to look into the mixer, okay? And then you got Paisley over here. She got the roller pin. Oh, you guys, she is a little messy too. But listen, they're working hard. They've been planning this tea party, and they are just ready to entertain their guests, you guys. You guys, so like I said, you guys, the girls are working super, super hard. You girls are doing so good. So like I said, you guys, they get ready to bake some cookies, some cake, some cupcakes. Just going to be super nice. Ooh, look at those cookies. Don't they look good? They already look delicious, right? Okay, you got that island that they're working on. That's the island that I made. Like I say, that was with the first kitchen video. So like I said, you guys, let me know if you ever want me to do a DIY, and I would do that so I can show you how I make a lot of my content for my videos, you guys. And like I said, I do a video where I show you how I can actually make the rooms itself. And like I say, my rooms are portable. They're portable, baby. You can just pull them up, take them with you, no matter where you at, you guys. So like I say, the girls are over here. They're working super, super, super hard, you guys. They got flour everywhere. Can you imagine the cleanup, you guys? Okay. All right. So like I said, you guys, we're going to finish doing this video so you can finish seeing them. So you guys, they are finished. They got some of the stuff ready. They made some chocolate chip cupcakes. They got some chocolate cupcakes. Look like there's some strawberry cupcakes right there. And it look like Paisley is putting some icings on the cupcake. Good job, Paisley. Those look delicious. Smell good too, you guys. Okay. Now over here, we got Kinsley. She's working on, look like she did some chocolate chip cookies. She's working on the cake. She got a heart-shaped cookie cutter over there. So Kinsley look like she's working on taking the cookies out of the oven. Good job, Kinsley. Listen, you guys, teamwork is very important, especially when you are planning a tea party, you guys. Over there in the oven, you see they got some more baked goods over there finishing up in the oven. I see some cupcakes over there, you guys. Ooh, I see some lemon cupcakes, some butterscotch. I see strawberry. I see cherry flavored cupcakes. I see some, the heart cookies. They're up there. They get ready to go into the oven so they can start baking those, you guys. The girls are doing super, super, super great on this baking. I'm just so proud of them, you guys. Okay, you guys, so like I say, they're finishing up because now they have about 30 minutes. And like I say, you guys, they're going to have it's 2 special guests that's going to be attending the tea party, you guys. Okay, so now you guys, the girls are, like I say, they're finishing up with doing the cupcakes and the cookies and the cake and everything because the guest is going to be coming in about 30 minutes, you guys. So now the girls, they finally got all the baking done. Now they're cleaning up. It look like they're washing dishes, you guys. So like I say again, Kinsley and Paisley believe in teamwork. So like I said, you got Kins over here. She got the sponge. She got the dish detergent. See the dish detergent over there in the corner in the green bottle. And like I say, so she's getting ready. She's washing the pans. She's washing the dishes. You got Paisley. Paisley are taking the pans from the oven. And you guys, listen. The oven have cooled down. That's why they had the oven open previously. So, so listen, she ain't touching the hot pan. So she's passing the pans to Kinsley. Like I say, they working together. They are so super exciting, you guys. They want you to come to their tea party. And they want you to see their special guests. So they're cleaning up. It look like they got all the flour off themselves. It look like they got the floor cleaned up. It look like they doing super good getting everything cleaned up so that you guys, they can get ready for this tea party. Okay? Good job, girls. Good job. Continue cleaning up. I think now you only have about 15 minutes before our special guests arrive. And like I said, you guys, it's going to be 2 special guests that's coming to the tea party. And you probably already know. So here's the special guest, you guys. First, we have Kimmy. Hello, Kimmy. She has an invitation. It says tea party. We got Kimmy looking all cute. Hi, Kimmy. Oh, you guys, look. Super cute. They have tea hats. Party hats. Now, you guys, these hats, I purchased these hats from the dollar store. It came in a pack of 5. So what I did, I took some more of my cute little butterfly and flowers rhinestone, hot glued them to the hats, and that's how they have their little tea party hats. Cute, right? You guys, this is Autumn. Hi, Autumn. And you guys, they are showing that they are on their way so they can come to the tea party. So like I said, you guys, those are special guests. You guys, if you don't know who Autumn and Kimmy is, make sure you go to Autumn Scott and Friends YouTube channel. Autumn Scott and Friends YouTube channel, and you can see more of them. But these are Kinsley and Paisley and Tatum, special besties, buddies, and they're coming to the tea party. And oh, you guys, the food smells so good. I can smell it all the way down the street. So you guys, the food is done. The girls are at the party. They got it ready. They got chocolate chip cupcakes. They have milk. They have chocolate chip cookies, different flavored cupcakes, and the girls have their teacups. And Autumn Sky and you got Kimmy, they sit down. You got Kinsley, she's pouring the tea. Look at a little tea kettle, you guys. Super cute, right? So like I said, you guys, they are at the tea party. All the girls have on the party hats. Kinsley and Paisley has on the party hat too, you guys. This is super cute. Let me know. Give a girl a like if you enjoy the tea party. Maybe this is an idea of something that you can do with your dolls, where you can have a baking tea party. They can bake some goods, bake some things, and have a tea party and invite some friends over. And you guys, look at the cute outfit. Like I said, they made a Minnie Mouse outfit I made for them. You guys, I got this material for $1.47. That's all. Took me about maybe an hour. I did a little more detailing with this outfit, but it took me about an hour to make both the outfit, you guys. So you guys, you already know, I love you. And make sure you subscribe and like the channel. And love you. See ya.